Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a Python function to find out whether a number is divisible by the sum of its digits. So given a number as an input argument to the Python function, so you have to sum up all the digits, take the sum and try to divide the number, that is a original number, and check if the remainder is 0. So then print it is completely divisible, else you have to print it is not divisible using the Python function. So yeah, so let me define a function and pass the input argument as number. So define, let's say check. This is my function name, that is check. You can take any random name. So yeah, so let's pass the variable, that is number. So we need a copy of the number. So let me take another variable temp and store the copy of number. So once we get the copy of number, so I have to store the, that is sum of all its digits. So let me take another variable total equals to 0. So let's initialize it to 0. So let's take a while loop and iterate up to all the digits. So let's say temp is not equals to 0. So what you have to do is get the last digit of the temp. So let me take a temporary variable, that is last digit, and get the last digit of the temp. You have to modulate it with the 10 and take the last digit and add it to the total. Let's say total equals to the last digit, that is total equals to total plus the last digit. Yeah, and we have to trim the last digit. So in order to trim, let's take the temp and again you have to perform the true division. So this is modulus, addition and division. So I have explained this MAD method in my multiple videos, so you can refer that. So once the while loop completes, so we will be storing the sum of digits into the temp. So let me, sorry, total. So let me take a total variable and use the if statement to check if the original number is can completely divide by its sum. So let me take a number and modulate it with the total and check if it is 0, that is remainder is 0. So let's print number is divisible by the sum of its digits. So let me copy from here. This is a string and yeah, else part, let's take a else part. So this for negative scenario, that is number is not divisible. So let me print and again let me paste the same and here not. Yeah, so this is a complete Python function that we have written to check if number is divisible or not. So let's take a, in the main program, let's take a variable num and yeah, let's use input function call and ask a user to enter a number and let's convert it into an integer. And now let's call the function check and pass the num variable. Yeah, so this is a complete Python function or the program to find out the number is divisible by the sum of its digits. So let me run this. Let's give number as 2. So you can see number is divisible by the sum of its digits. 2 is the number and sum of its digits will become 2. 2 divided by 2 is completely divisible. So now let's give 5. So you can see 5 is also divisible. Let's run it again and let's give 15. So you can see 15, if you add it, it will become 6. 15 divided by 6, it is a remainder is not divisible. So you can see number is not divisible by the sum of its digits. So now let me give 27. So you can see number is divisible by the sum of its digits. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to check whether a number is divisible by the sum of its digits or not. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.